with a blindfold.
So we don't know what colors we are putting and what we are putting into our bows. I'm Team Kitten.
And I'm Team Unicorn.
And I even have a cat shirt.
And I have a unicorn shirt.
And I'm so excited to begin.
Same.
Let's get started! Let's start the challenge!
Yes! I'm really nervous.
Me too. I hope my slime comes out good.
Okay.
First, before we start, let's take our little spectators out of our bowls so they don't
Bye,
get slime.
unicorn. Bye, kitty.
So you don't get dirty. We'll put it on the ground. And
So
now let's put on our blindfolds and get the challenge started.
Okay, I can't see a thing. It's all brown in here.
Me too. So before we start, I just want to tell you that our mom mixed up the orders so that we don't know where everything is. Let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to add in my blue. So here's a cup of blue. Don't know whether it's clear or white.
Whoa, I don't know what.
Ow, I just hurt myself. Come on.
I'm not
Here's
looking.
the other cup.
What do you do after the glue?
You can add in the clear, I think. Alright, time for me to add the colors. I'm gonna add in this one. Hope it's a good color.
Okay,
it's
let's
good. Open up!
Okay, let's do this.
Why isn't this opening? Dang it! Okay. Oh! Okay, I think this is enough. Now we mix and mix and mix and mix and wait until the color comes, even though I don't know what the color is. I guess I'll just wait. So, Sis, how's your slime going?
I don't know what color I'm adding. The glue.
Are you sure about that?
I actually
Did he cheat?
No, sis.
Okay. Okay, now I'm going to add in shaving cream. Oh, is it
I
open?
don't want it to be even more.
Is it open? Oh, yeah, it's open.
Wait, what? That's the funniest sound I've ever heard.
I think so.
Okay.
I'm so excited to see how this comes out.
I think you cheated.
Me? Why would I cheat?
Why would I cheat? Then what are you thinking? I'm gonna have a ton of shade.
So I think that the color is going to get lighter if I put in the shaving cream, so I'm going to add more. Hopefully that's enough. I have no clue how much I'm putting in. It just keeps pouring and pouring. Alrighty.
I want more. I want it to be
Time for the baking
Lavaropsy.
soda. Baking soda time.
Seriously?
What is, oh, here it is. Oh, here it is. 1 spoonful. Oops. Oh, dang it, I dropped some. I'm gonna mix it up.
Where's my baking soda?
Oh, I got some stuff on my hand.
Okay, here it is.
Okay, so I also need to add some water, right? I'm going to add a little bit of water. I hope it isn't too much. Oh, I think that's enough. I don't want too much water. I'm so scared to
When did you put? Did you put the water after you put the baking soda?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's mix up.
Woo, woo, woo. Time for the
This is
glitter.
baby.
I wonder what color this is. Open.
Okay, I'm gonna open it all the way.
Oh yeah, good idea. Then we're gonna get so much glitter.
Whoa, I think I fell.
I feel glitter on me.
What the heck? Wait,
Oh my god, oh my god.
glitter!
Oh. Alright, I hope it's going good. Wait, did I just waste the whole bottle of glitter? Nope, not. I guess I'll see. Oh, I forgot to put water!
Why?
Seriously?
Why?
Okay, I'm gonna try opening the cap now. Hope I don't waste this too. I don't want to waste so many glitter.
think I will put so much water because I don't want it to be a soggy roll. I don't think. Nix. Did you put your activator yet?
Oh my god, I'm dripping it over the sides. Ew.
Ew, gross. Why would you do that?
I think I'm ready to activate it.
No, I'm not ready. Yeah, I think I'm ready.
Wait, oh, this is the shaving cream, so this is the activator.
So, do you think I can add shaving cream?
Did you already add it?
Yeah.
I feel stuff on my hands, but I don't want to look at it. I don't want to spoil the whole entire surprise. Now, if I can... Oh, okay, got it to open. Whoa, okay.
A lot of glitter, I think.
Hey, hope that's not too much activator.
Is this it? No,
This is watery.
Wait, this is shaving cream.
What are you looking for?
Wait, I'm looking for the activator, don't tell me. I think that, no, this is color.
Oh, I have it.
Hey.
I took it because I needed to activate my slime.
Yeah.
What else would I need it for? Oh, it's getting hard to mix. That means that it's turning out good.
Mine is not turning out that good. I think I should.
Oh god, this is hard, man. Where's the activator?
Hey, don't.
Where's the activator?
Here. It's open, by the way.
I hope that I'm just not putting too much activator because I feel like I'm putting way too much activator. So hopefully it's not too liquidy and weird. Okay, ready? I'm gonna start playing with it.
Don't. Is it?
Oh my god, this is watery.
Why would you make it watery?
I don't know how to fix it though.
Just if it's watery.
This is sticky. Ew.
I felt mine is.
Okay, I feel this needs definitely more activator. Oh my god, it's turning out. So I'm gonna fix it. This is hard.
Where is it? I think you're putting the right thing. Here, the activator. Wait. I kind of sense something.
Wait, are you cheating? No, why would I be cheating?
Yeah.
Good sports.
Yeah. I don't want it to be more fluffy.
Put shaving cream in.
Okay, well.
Ready? I'm playing with it.
How much did I put in?
Oh my god, it feels like a lot of blobby slime.
Blobby slime.
Ugh, sticking on me. Oh, this is actually... Ew. Did I get it on my shirt? This is bad. Really? Bad? This is actually really stretchy.
Wait, what is happening? Should I smell?
Whoa. Smells like shaving cream. I love the smell of shaving cream.
I don't hate it.
No, I love it. Who told you that? Ready, sis?
Yes!
Wait, okay, so let me just take my hand off this sticky slime.
Mine is not so sticky.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. What? This is so pretty.
I got purple literally. Purple.
Yay. Pink is the best color. Oh my goodness, I dropped so much stuff.
Ew.
Oh my god, literally, I felt that something was dripping, but I didn't know what it was. Oops, my chair just fell.
Whoa.
This is so funny. And anyway, this slime is like really pretty.
Oh my gosh.
Has purple glitter and blue glitter in it.
I
And it is